In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the progression of a reverse lunge on a TRX, which is a reverse lunge on one leg. So if you know what a reverse lunge is and you're thinking, well, what's the difference? A reverse lunge, traditionally done, would be coming back and then forwards back to the start position, right? Now, you'll notice there that if I take my right leg as the example, I've brought my right leg in contact with the floor. So to do a reverse lunge on one leg means that I'm going to be doing that with the back leg, but there is going to be no touch to the floor. So let me show you what it looks like. Firstly, the TRX is going to start off at the front of your hips. You're going to be challenged here with your proprioception and balance. It's really hard, not only on those hip extensors, but you'll get a nice isometric contraction of the quadriceps at the lowest part. You're going to bend your elbows and come back until you feel that tension on the TRX. I'm going to do this on my left leg so you can see best on the camera. I'm going to bring my feet into a narrow position. Both my feet are pointing directly forwards. From here, as I come back into my reverse lunge, you'll notice my arms go straight. And I'm going to try and keep my right leg completely off the floor during the repetition. So let me show you what that looks like. From here, coming back, and then back up. When I'm coming up, I'm trying my best not to pull myself back up with my arms, just using my legs and just using that left hip in this example. So again, you're going to come back. You're going to drop the arms and you're going to use your left hip or whatever side you're doing to complete the motion. So the difference is that we do not bring that back leg in contact with the floor. Now, let's go through that really slowly one more time. You bend your elbows. You take a step back or steps back until you feel that you've got that tension on the TRX. Feet are pointing forwards and you've got that narrow hip stance with your feet. From here, you bring one foot back. You're going to come back into your reverse lunge and you're going to use your hip to bring yourself back up into position. That's how to do a reverse lunge on one leg on a TRX, and you would do that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.